The books that we read add to our mental toolkit for solving problems.
In the architecture space, D.K. Ching books have been a crowd favourite for years, and it's easy to see why with clarity of the details throughout the books. We've got a wide spectrum of topics covered from structural steel framing with typical connections between elements, everything from welded to bolt connected. But we've also got foundational systems covered as well, from basements to crawl spaces and concrete slabs on ground, as well as the piers and poles themselves. In a lot of nuance and detail throughout. Wood post beam connections are covered as well, and wood stud framing. They put in an effort to try and cover metric and imperial in all the different sections, and although some terminology is a little bit different, say like here where we've got sole plate, whereas in Australia we typically call it a bottom plate, the foundational knowledge is still so valuable, and the explanation between the different elements themselves. We've got information on cross-laminated timber walls. It also gets into rafter framing, explaining different areas like the collar ties and how they help resist uplift from winds. But it's not just timber framing, they've also got light gauge roof framing, not to mention details like gable dormers. The line work shows the construction so accurately, which is just so valuable for understanding these different areas. It's also got a bunch of different roof systems, from wood shingles all the way to slate shingles, as well as different types of tile roofing, from S-shaped all the way to interlocking, and even vegetated roofing and all the different layers in between. There's a tremendous amount of information to be found. It's one of those ones that's well worth adding to the library.